Is Tokyo Disneyland one of the best theme parks in the world? Well, I'm about to find out, and I've only got one day to do it. Fans say that Tokyo Disneyland is the most magical castle park that Disney has ever built. But is it that good? I want to see what makes this place stand out. I'm Whit, I'm new to vlogging and hopefully getting better a little bit, one video at a time. My goal is to hit every must-do ride that's open, try as many snacks as possible, and decide if Tokyo Disneyland deserves its reputation as one of the best. Tokyo Disneyland was the first Disney park built outside of the US. It opened on April the 15th, 1983, the same year Return of the Jedi hit the cinemas. Tokyo Disneyland is part of the wider Tokyo Disney Resort, which is also home to the legendary Tokyo Disney Sea. It's about an hour away from central Tokyo and is super easy to get to by the subway. It takes about an hour. We stayed on site at the beautiful Hotel Miracosta, which is literally inside Disney Sea. And we booked the parks and hotel through the official Tokyo Disneyland webpage. It was quite easy to navigate. Just make sure you hit that translate button to English.
So here we are, finally made it to Tokyo Disneyland on the main street. It's covered, it's sunny. Let's go and have some fun.
Since I had Return of the Jedi inside my head, the first stop was Star Tours The Adventure Continues. It's a really fun ride and there's hardly ever a long queue. And it's worth it whether you're a Star Wars fan or not. They've updated the destinations too to include some of the stuff from the newer Star Wars series on Disney+. Thankfully, no Jar Jar Binks. Tomorrowland was more like Construction Land, but that's Tokyo Disney for you. It never sits still. They were building a brand new Wreck-It Ralph attraction to replace Buzz Lightyear, expected to open in 2026. And if you're wondering where Space Mountain is, or was, they've completely demolished it and they are building a brand new fancy pants version behind it.
Monsters Inc. Ride and Go Seek. That's exclusive to Tokyo Disneyland. So let's go.
Monsters Inc. Ride and Go Seek gets a solid C+ from me. It's a small, dark ride where you go around with little torches and you have to shine on interactive targets, and when you shine on them, something happens. It's nothing too fancy or groundbreaking, but it was a really fun little addition. Okay, awkward snack moment coming up next.
Okay, creme brulee churro. Has to be done. That is gorgeous. Highly recommend that. That is just towards the entrance of Pirates of the Caribbean. Creme brulee churro. So that was Mickey's Magic Music World or something. It was really amazing. It's like a high quality West End Broadway show. Bits of it in Japanese, but it's really, really good. Really good special effects. I highly recommend if you come here. Kind of weasel over anything we've got in Florida. It's really good entertainment.
Okay, it's been 5 seconds since the last snack break. So
it's Mickey ice cream.
And then I had a quick whiz on Pinocchio's Daring Journey. This was again a lovely little charming dark ride. I give it a D+, oh that's a bit harsh, C-, and that's for the charm value. I went full Alice in Wonderland for lunch and ate at the Queen of Hearts banquet hall in Fantasyland.
Prime beef looks good. and raspberry and lemon cake with some kind of biscuit. Yeah, it's good. Very lemony and raspberry. Bit of compote in the bottom and a cute little biscuit. Okay, Tokyo, the original Splash Mountain. No Tiana, no thank you. Good for them keeping the originals. Let's go and get wet, which should be great on a day like today. Yeah, so Splash Mountain done. So always good. And it's a pretty good nick. A little bit of a splash. It was nice. Pretty hot.
Next up, Western Land, which is their version of Frontierland.
Frontierland's great here. Still got canoes. I doubt Tokyo Disneyland's going to fill in their river. It's big Thunder Mountain. Going to check that out, see if it's any different to Florida and Paris.
It's the same classic coaster you get at other Disney parks, but here, like Madonna's collection, it's immaculate. Honestly, it's like the share of theme park rides. It just looks better every year, and that's enough diva references. It might have felt slightly gentler than other versions I've been on, but I don't know if that was just the post-lunch days I was in. Still a solid must-do. Okay, next up, time for the super headliner of the park, a true Tokyo exclusive, Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. I've got a full ride through on a separate POV video on my channel. I'll link it in the description at the end, but here's a little taster.
So just got off the Beauty and the Beast ride. Absolutely amazing attractions, a trackless ride, loads of really impressive animatronics. Highly recommend if you come here.
This one has to get an A from me. It's genuinely impressive. I only held back from giving it an A+ because Frozen Ever After next door at Disney Sea stole that crown. Next up, Snap Break 76, the iconic green alien Mochi, little dumplings. These little guys have been a must-eat at Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea for a little while now. Squishy rice cakes with custard, chocolate and strawberry inside. Oh, they were definitely worth the hype. It was time for a date with everyone's favourite healthcare companion, Baymax. This ride was pure joy. He invites you to hop aboard his little whip ride and spins you around to really catchy, joyous music. It's not that spinny. I always worry about rides like this, but I had no tummy trouble at all. This ride will make you smile. I hadn't snacked for 5 minutes, so it was time for some strawberry Napoleon popcorn. I got it in this cute little Winnie the Pooh popcorn bucket, which was a challenge to fit in my suitcase. Pirates was down for a refurb, and so I had a quick sneaky go on Tiki Birds and then the Jungle Cruise. The sun was starting to set, and so I panicked and filmed my closing speech, if you can call it that. early.
Had a great day at Tokyo Disneyland. There's quite a lot of unique rides here, great snacks, very sugared out. Beauty and the Beast ride was a highlight, old style Splash Mountain, and some great shows, some fantastic shows. So don't skip it if you come here and thinking it's just the same as the Magic Kingdom, because it's not. And now I'm just going to go and check out the electric parade.
I had time for a sneaky spin on Roger Rabbit, Snow White Adventure, and then It's a Small World with Groot. I really enjoyed It's a Small World here with Groot. It was stuffed with Marvel characters hidden along the way, and it was great fun spotting them out. I really liked this little plussing they did of this ride. It was a pleasant surprise of the day. I give it a B. It was definitely the best version of It's a Small World I've been on with Groot. And to finish the day off, the Tokyo Disneyland Electrical Parade, Dreamlights. This was easily the best theme park parade I've seen. It was packed with jaw-dropping floats and incredible music. Stake out your spot early because the local guests are pros and they sit down and claim their space quite early on. If it's on when you visit, don't miss it. And that was Tokyo Disneyland. Was it the best Disney castle park I've been to? Definitely yes. But full disclosure, I've only been to 3, including Florida, Paris, and now Tokyo. You can tell they really care and look after their rides. Like Pooh's Honey Hunt was also closed, but that was okay because I don't mind if they're taking care of their rides. Favourite ride of the day? Definitely Beauty and the Beast. Check out my POV. Another standout? Definitely the snacks. Japan knows how to do snacks. So if you're planning a Disney trip and want a park that's familiar but packed with surprises, Tokyo Disneyland absolutely deserves a spot on your list. If you've enjoyed this vlog, please consider subscribing, and I've got the Beauty and the Beast POV either here for you to watch on Planet Wit. So thanks for watching again. My name's Wit, and I'll see you on the next adventure.